Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you all a product. Now this is a 7-piece mixing bowl set. It's stainless steel with suction lids for airtight food storage. You see how they nest really well into each other, and the various sizes is really perfect for your kitchen. You have big amounts of food, small amounts of food that you want to store. So here I placed some seasoned chicken into my bowl, and you can see how it closes and it holds really tight on that bowl. Now, as I said before, they do nest into each other. They're made with food grade stainless steel and high quality. The lids also nest into each other, and when you remove the big lid, you can put the smaller lids inside and then cover it with that one big lid, so you have the perfect storage for your bowls. So if you all are interested in this, I will leave the information in the description box for it to purchase. Thank you and have a wonderful day.